Hi guys, this is Abe from iLocksmith. Today we're going to do a lost key for Toyota Sienna 2015. As you see, the car after accident, somebody bought it from the auction. This is the car. As you see, I'm started doing the reset, the 16 minutes reset. It's running right here. As you see, we're going to wait until it's going to be done, and then we're going to program the key. As you see, the key is not working. Nothing. The key is not programmed. I'm sorry. Okay, soon the reset is going to be finished, and we're going to program the key. Okay, we complete the reset. Still, it's not working. We're going to make it work in 1 minute, even less. That's it. Programming success. Let's check it out. Everything is working. I'm not sure I can start the car because of the accident, but we can try. Let's try. Yeah, the car is on, but it's shutting down because it's after accident. Ignition, as you see, ignition goes on. Okay, the car is on. Don't forget, anything you need, iLocksmith Brooklyn, 7185045625. Best service, fast service, and best prices. Give us a call if you need anything.